Hello, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I am showing to how to create add member and member roles, levels, uh, how to create in Enterprise ArcGIS portal. So let's start. At first, open in the Enterprise ArcGIS portal, then organization. I am already open this portal, then click the add member, ready, select, and then next. So create a new integrity asset management login once at a time or in a batch from a file. uh, I am showing the one at a time and how to create one at a time add a member. So then at first put the mail id. I am putting the mail id, my mail id. Then you put the first name, then put the last name. Then when you put the email id, then you can create username, already create and username, and then you have put down the password. Then select the level 1 or level 2. There are two level 1 only member can view content share with item, including maps, apps, demographic and elevation analyze layer. Member cannot create, own or share content. A level 2 member can view, create and share content. So I can create in a viewer role. So I am select in level 1. You can see viewer role, and then next. So I also put down the input, then like first name, last name, mail id, level. So this is the show in portal. Then click the add members. Then the show in completed. You have successfully add one member. I am create in one member. So which member in is created, so I also showing in this portal. So click return to organization. This is the search bar, and this is the search for name, which names are created in members. I am created this name, so then I am put this name and search. So you can see also that this member is the show name, username and level. I am already select level 1 and level and role. I am also selected in role in viewer. So if we are also like this video, so please like this video and subscribe this channel. So thank you.